Hey guys, it's March's cleaning video. Excuse the excessive change in clothes. I did this in a long period throughout the month because I got sick during the making of this video. Matter of fact, I'm still sick now while doing this voiceover, so please forgive me. I'm starting in the living room where things look a little bit different because in February we moved the room around. I am first putting back some DVDs I took out because we lost internet for a few days and I need something to watch. This is why I keep DVDs to begin with. You never know when this happens. I need constant entertainment to keep myself from getting bored or depressed. It's also how I handle my schizophrenia symptoms when they had been bad. I'd play games to help ignore the voices and hallucinations. The living room is a little messy because this is where Zach likes to hang out recently. I clean up the shelves of empty medication bottles and bags and take the dirty cup and lunchbox out of the living room. I'm picking up clothes from in front of the television and putting them away into the bedroom. This is my first clothes change. I am cleaning up the bar area where Newest, my cat, likes to push things off the bar top and onto the floor. I'm also organizing the chairs of the stuff that's hanging off of them. This is my sewing table where nothing but my sewing machine is supposed to be on. But of course, things migrate. I have to eventually find spots for everything on this table, but not today. You'll notice throughout this video that I'm not deep cleaning and barely wiping down anything. I didn't have the mental stability to do really good cleaning, but I am hoping that will change in April when I do my deep cleaning. My work table is always a hot mess even when I clean it. It irks Zach pretty badly, but I know where everything is at. Zach doesn't like it because as a person with schizoaffective disorder myself, I am supposed to be in a healthy, organized, and clean environment for the best chances for my symptoms to keep in control, or to keep depression and anxiety away. There are things I could take off this table and move elsewhere, I just haven't found a home for them yet. Now for the kitchen table. As I mentioned in other cleaning videos before, this is a dumping ground for everything, as you can see. Cleaning this table is all about putting things back where they truly belong. And now for a pants change. This mess comes from going grocery shopping, so it occurs every 2 weeks. I am picking up the bags and checking for holes. The ones with holes gets taken back to Walmart for recycling, and the others are used for litter bags, which out of all the bags, only one was good to use for litter. The pizza boxes have been here for a while. I need to put them in bags and throw them away, but Zach keeps forgetting to take the smaller trash cans, so there isn't any room for them. So just ignore them for now. I might get to them in April. The bag of rice is also bad, and I need to get rid of it as well. I'm flattening the boxes and putting them with the rest of the flattened boxes. I need to get rid of these as well, but like I said, there isn't enough room for now. So they sit here and wait. The top of the dog cage is where my clean Tupperware has been put. Originally, Zach wanted me to put them in a pull-out drawer, but it was hard to get to a few of the Tupperware that was there. So I just put them on top of here, to his annoyance. Yet another clothes change. The bedroom is a hot mess this time. There are a lot of clothes for me to pick up and wash on Sunday. And there was junk all over the shelving on the right, mostly my crafting supplies I normally use like watercolor paints and tape. I have a lot cut out for me when it comes to spring cleaning in April. I have to clean out the closet and put these jackets back in there and move a computer into the closet as well. And just, well, deep clean everything. And there's a lot to deep clean. So I don't know how long these videos are going to be. That's why I'm separating them by room. But hopefully they're not that long.
Or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. Tropical love. And I wanted to
And another clothes change. But don't worry, this is the last one.
and I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical. Pack your bags, I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back, I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. I wanna leave it all behind. Sailor seas, just you and I. Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know.